Good morning, sir. My name is John Carl Enriquez. How can I help you? Looking for something good to eat?
I'm looking for something local food.
This way, sir. Have a seat, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're in the good place. What kind of food are you craving? Sweet, spicy, or something traditional?
I am open for anything, or give me some authentic.
Well, you've got to try Bicol Express. It's a local favorite. You can find it at Diverse Sanctuary over there.
Sounds great. Thank you for the tip.
No problem, sir. Enjoy your meals. Have a nice day. Thank you.